Honestly, there's no excuse for you not to do videos on your iPhone because it's so simple to use. Hey! Whether you are a new creator, dabbling in UGC, perhaps you just signed up for a company and you need to create content, I'm gonna give you some tools that are going to help you there right here. They are beginner friendly. I am gonna show you what I've accumulated throughout the year, what are my favorites, and yes, they are also budget friendly. So let me go through my stack. The very first thing that you need to understand is lighting. So right now is literally the perfect time to create this video because there's no sun. It's actually cloudy, so the lighting is perfect. What would happen if I literally don't have any type of lighting? Wish I had the other one. But one of the things that helped me a lot is a light just like this. This is the smallest light ever. There are lights out there that have like the little clip that you can put on your phone. This is what it looks like. It's super bright. And I think for me this helps because sometimes I can put it on my computer, sometimes I can, and I'll show you one of my tripods, but I can put it on the side of my tripod or simply put it in front of my camera like this when it's a little bit darker. I do have a bigger one that I don't think that you need, and I have to say I do use that one. Let me turn it on so you can see. A little bit brighter, but this light specifically does help me on darker days. I know that when I create some course content and I just need everything dark and I need to do it right now or I need to do it at night, that really helps me. That I will link for you, but I really don't think that you need it, especially if you're just a beginner. Like the simplest lighting ever, and I use this because it's so versatile. So what I do is I like to use this one, especially if I am going to be taking my computer, my laptop, whatever. This one's just so easy to use. You can just connect it to your computer, but being in front of a window is going to be the most helpful thing possible for you. So that's lighting. Now I have about 700 tripods, okay? Let me go through some handheld ones. These are my handheld ones. And I'm gonna tell you my favorites. It just came with a holder. It's okay, I don't really use this because it's so open, but this could be something for you if you're gonna vlog or if you're gonna hold. This is more of like a vloggy type of stick. I do have something like this that I prefer. It's from Joby. I hope that I'm saying this right. I have something like this that is smaller, and I love this because you can literally put it on anything. This has been my tripod for a long time now. This is it. But recently I upgraded to a bigger one. I'm willing to invest $20 instead of $5 or even $30 on something sturdier. Like this one does not budge. Like look, I'm pulling. You can hold the camera, way more sturdy, and I just trust this with everything. You get what you pay for. Well, the taller ones are also going to be something that you need because you never know when you have to take a standing up pic. Right now I'm on the floor, but the one that I have is so tall. Look how tall it is. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. See how tall it is. It comes up to my cheek, so it's right here. And this is helpful. I'm never going to use it that high, but this has been helpful, especially when I do my standing up videos. I have a whiteboard right here, and I use this one. This one's just as sturdy, and you can open it wide, meaning there's going to be more, you know, stability. I know that there's other ones that are a little bit more compact. Those work, but I don't mind this. This is like pretty compact for me, even for packing. Like, I know there's skinnier ones. They're a little wonky for me because I'm just scared, like, what if my camera falls? I do have an external thing that I bought. It comes with a like clippy thing. I don't use that because my phone is so bulky. You can do both. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. So if you're doing like TikToks or Instagrams, or you're taking photos, you just add this. It's so sturdy, and what I like is that you can open and close. It doesn't like pull, and what's happened to me in the past with those is that the phone snaps out. So these are the tripods. Now let's talk a little bit about mics. So at the time of this recording, I am getting a new camera. Okay, I currently use the Canon GX7, but it's the very first one. This one does not take a mic. Unfortunately, I didn't know about this until I had already bought it. I had already used it, whatever. So I understand the importance of sound. So a lot of the times I do use my phone because I can connect sound. A very beginner friendly mic. If you are going to be recording on your phone, if you think that you can't record on your phone, you are very incorrect. I will link a few videos that I have recorded cell phone only, and you can use something like this. These little mics are like 20 bucks. You can get a higher quality one for like 40, 50, but these are literally like $20. I have so many of these laying around because they're so freaking affordable, and sometimes you can get 2 at a time. The sound does sound a little bit more, you could tell that it's $20, but it's better than nothing. This is an option for you. I do use this with my phone. So the charging port is right here. The next type of mic is this one. This one is also the Joby. It comes with the creator kit. I got this together. So I'll link this. I don't know how much this is alone, but the sound is bomb. It is bomb. Like, if you're doing it on your phone, all you have to do is connect it. I'm sure you can buy this separately, but you connect it. You can do vlog style like this. This is so sturdy. Look. If the sound and you're like in front of a light, I would honestly invest in these things before anything else, because we all have an iPhone or some sort of smartphone. Now, let's say that you already have a mic. I have an option for you. So let me talk a little bit about adapters when it comes to your phone. This is an option for you. Basically what you do, okay, you can USB connect, and you can also be charging it at the same time. So let's say that you connect whatever mic it is, especially if you don't have a budget to get a camera right now, but you really want to focus, or you're recording yourself on a Zoom, or you're recording a podcast by yourself. That's an option. Another adapter I think that you should get, I already talked about this adapter, which will help you connect any of your mics. The other adapter is this one, which is your SD card. And this is going to be something that will help you transfer your longer videos. You put it in here, and if you're going to edit it, you can upload it to your computer. So this is another adapter that I highly suggest that you get. So many adapters, dude. Like, a few other things. Portable table, especially. This is like, I love this thing. I have to say it was like $30. It comes with the top. I can travel with this as my portable table, and it's literally been my lifesaver. Imagine my little mobile office. I take it in my little book bag slash backpack. I have my desk, I have my light, or if I want to be, you know, more compact, I have my light, I have my mic and my tripod. There you go. If you are looking to invest, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be getting a new camera very soon. I already know the one that I'm getting. It's going to be the Canon GX7, but the third model, because that can get that connection, that mic connection. All I'm going to do is you're going to see this in there. But this is such a simple camera. Let me take a picture. So this camera that I have right here, this is the one that I have. It's so simple to use, but this is a point and shoot camera. Okay. So let me show you what a DSLR camera is. This is a DSLR camera. So you know what a point and shoot camera, you know what a DSLR camera is. You can put your voice with this mic when it comes to Canon. So that's the one that I'm going to be getting. It's easier for me. It's very compact, and it takes really good pictures. And as you continue to grow your business, then you can invest in things like a few extra batteries. It usually comes with one battery charger. I got one that has 3, and I bought additional batteries. So I have 4 total batteries, but I have something even better. I got a wall connection battery. I can go for around 15 to 20 minutes. Usually with these, I can only go like 7 minutes at a time. I don't know if that's normal, but I was finding that problem. Sometimes it would stop in the middle, and it was just a freaking mess. So now it's just directly in the wall. It's charging at all times, no matter what. I'll charge these if I need pictures, and with pictures, it lasts a really long time. You need more SIM cards and invest in the juicy ones, okay? 128 minimum, but you need external memories, okay? But there's really no excuse to get you started on creating content, online presence, creating a digital product. If you are ready to create a digital product, I'll link the next video so you can watch that. So I'll see you there.